Hello friends, myself Mohammad Hassan from Admin Door. Today here we are with Mr. Atul Katiyar, 97 batch IPS officer, currently working as a Joint Commissioner of Delhi Police. Sir, thank you for being in Admin Door. Sir, tell me something about your journey in civil services.
I joined, as you told, in 1997. After that, I've been the ACP here, Vandinagar, training, and I've been posted in Arunachal Pradesh. There are
Right, sir.
some terrorist infected areas, so then I joined as DCP and DCP or outer district.
Right, sir.
So then been to the Pondicherry, sub the Pondicherry police, and in this area, all the time there has been different kind of portfolio. Like I've been in the law and order, then the things are different. And when I was licensing, then I also joined CISF, currently force,
Right.
Kashmir,
Right.
posted under reserve.
Sir, do you think English medium is more important than Hindi medium?
I actually see if you compare these two things, then the number of the books availability is more in English medium. But nowadays, trend is changing. Most of the books have been translated, so things are quite different. At the same time, the UPSC, as my experience is that not go by the medium. It goes by the how what is the content, what you are writing, how
Right.
much you write precisely,
Right,
कितना आप कम में सारगर्भित रूप से अच्छा लिख पा रहे हैं.
right,
और यदि मैं एग्जाम्पल दूँ तो I've been also from the government school from Hindi medium,
oh, nice.
right from the beginning up to the class 11, as per my knowledge, as per my memory. After that, MSc was being done in the medium, BSc, MSc English medium, but that too very limited kind of the language there is. I have given my attempt also from the Hindi medium. That it was undoubtedly a challenging task. And there those days, because the number of books was very less 25 years back. But nowadays material is very much, very good material, better material is available in Hindi. So there is not that much difficulty.
Sir, it is said that 18-hour study in a day for the UPSC experience.
That's I simply quote unquote. If you work or you study 18 hours a day,
Right.
then 100% will fail. So it's not possible, it's not feasible. When you are doing that, is you are harming yourself. It will not fruitful. Reasonable study, 8 to 10 hours is sufficient for the UPSC, and that too in the every week, at least half day, the Sunday, one should have the enough entertainment mode, whether playing or the doing other things.
Right, sir.
That's required.
Sir, what subject did you choose while coming into civil services? And what subject would you like to suggest for the UPSC student?
My subjects being the MSc Mathematics, I have taken the mathematics as subject one. Other ones the geography being the science background, so geography to certain extent has the
Right.
factual and the scientific aptitude. But I felt that the second subject was quite time consuming for me, and it was not a good choice for me at least. I'm not saying that geography is not a good subject, but undoubtedly it's total syllabus is too large. It's better one should opt the syllabus, opt the subject, undoubtedly his interest should be there.
Right.
And second thing, the subject syllabus must be very less limited. Like I say, the philosophy, like the
Right.
sociology, like the anthropology. These subjects undoubtedly have the limited, even the Hindi literature. These subjects are the total syllabus is lesser than the other subjects.
Right. Sir, this is the last question. Can you suggest some books for the UPSC students?
It depends actually. If you go by the that is general studies, that one should not go. At least I can say with the guides. We should avoid the guides. First, all the NCRT books as the from 6 to other 10 must And first some the geography and some other 11, 12th also. And the subject-wise history, the Bipin Chandra is good in that way. For the geography, NCERT is okay, sufficient. Then the constitution, there's nowadays the books are different. I've been gone through the DD Basu, now there's a different one. So it's actually nowadays books you can anyone go by the simply the toppers books that can get very easily from the Google what the toppers. This is good books.
Sir, thank you so much for your valuable time for that.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Good answer.